Hey, how's it going? My name is Fabiano. I'm gonna be your private tutor throughout this course. But first, let me talk a little bit about myself. I used to work for a private language school, but for the past few years, I've been working by myself privately, teaching with my own methodologies, and my students here, they usually learn very fast. I have also been traveling a lot. I've been to a total of 26 countries and over 100 cities abroad, where I talked, I lived, I worked, and interact with people from all over the world. Besides being fluent in English, I can also speak some Spanish, some French, and now I'm learning German. So you can be 100% sure that I have a really good experience with languages and you are in good hands. So let's get started, shall we?